Solana is a blockchain that is built for mass adoption that is known for its speed and efficiency. Fees are dropping, speeds are off the chart, and if you are looking to swap or bridge your Ethereum or any token to the Solana blockchain, you, my friend, are in the right place. The smartest way to trade any token on any chain is with RocketX Exchange. Whether you are on your phone or your laptop, you can get started in seconds. All you need to do is go to app.rocketx.exchange. Then type in your source network in the network tab and select it. In the coin section, type in ETH and select it. In the destination network, type in Solana and select it. In the coin section, type in Sol and select it. Then click on Connect Wallet on the top right hand corner. If you don't see the wallet that you use, no worries. Click on Try Walletless and you can swap without even connecting your wallet. That's cool, right? Then enter the Solana recipient address to receive Solana. We have linked a video in the description that only explains walletless swaps. You can check it out. Below you can choose whether you want to go for the best rate or faster quotes. RocketX compares quotes across 500 plus exchanges to help you ape smart. Once you're ready with a quote of your choice, just click on cross-chain swaps and approve the transaction. Congrats! You have just successfully swapped your ETH to Sol. Trading is open 24/7, no registration, no login required, not even connecting your wallet. You can always go to history to check your previous transaction. If you face any issue with the swap, go to help and raise a ticket. Our team is happy to help you. Any token, anywhere, anytime. Just RocketX. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Happy swapping. See you in the next one.